what trips so many of you up is that you've been trying to compare how you feel with how others have felt or how others are feeling, when the comparison that you want to make is, how does this thought feel in relationship to the thought that I just thought? And as you keep leaning to increasingly better feeling thoughts, before you know it, you'll become addicted to the feeling of momentum and well-being. And then the conversation won't be, how do I have knowledge? The conversation will say, I have the knowledge. The question is whether I am deliberately applying it or not. We tease Esther a little bit because she knows the difference between a thought that feels better and a thought that feels not as good. She knows. She's been practicing this for a long time. She knows a thought that feels a little better and a little better and a little better. And with deliberate attention, she can parlay any thought that feels any way into a better feeling thought. No matter how good it feels, she can make it better. No matter how bad it feels, she can make it better. She knows how to make every single thought feel better. But sometimes she does not use that as her criteria. She'll say, well, it's true. As if that has anything to do with anything. There are a lot of things that are true that you don't want to live. There are a lot of things that are true that you do want to live. Let the criteria be, how does it feel when I think it, you say. Very good. Thank you. Yes, indeed.
I'd like to be specific if possible. My partner Mark and myself have this dream of, in the northern part of Ontario, in the wilderness area, to build a bed and breakfast that will offer alternative healing and spiritual renewal through being in nature. And we both have sent that out together as two people together, one desire. We talk about it, we visualized it, we've done all that. I've felt that I know it's coming. But there are times when I feel that either myself or Mark are doubting it. And so my question is, if I am really feeling that, yes, it's coming, I'm feeling very positive, and Mark is doubting, or the other way around, which one wins out?
Well, as you are joined at the hip, so to speak, and creating on the same project, and let's say that you are most of the time feeling only eager anticipation about it, and your partner, let's say, is doubting quite a bit. If you turn your attention toward your doubting partner, now you're not in vibrational alignment with what you want. And so it isn't a matter of who wins. It isn't a matter of which is the stronger vibration, the one of what you want or the one of the doubting of what you want. It is a very unique thing for two people